Hey folks, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to talk about 150 plus free illustrations without any catches, right? You can use it anywhere you want, even in basically commercial projects as well. Be it we are creating a presentation deck or building a UI UX for an app or editing out a video. Illustrations is something, SVG illustrations, PNG illustrations is something that we extensively use as creators, builders, product managers, developers, designers into whatever project that we are working on. In this video, we are going to look at 150 such free illustrations that you can use in your projects. So this is a website where you can sort of look at free illustrations. It's written like download 150 vector illustrations, so it's like free to use. You can sort of include these. So if you're building a social media networking app, you can go ahead and use this. If you're using a file management sort of an app, if you're building it, you can might as well use this sort of illustrations. If you have an app where you have ebooks or something like that, you might as well use this. And there is blue color, green color, a couple of illustrated ones, really basically comical ones. Then you have plain ones, you have like sketched, the border stroked illustrations. You've got these colorful ones. These are my best ones, Havana. I really like these. The way that the colors are used and everything is super awesome as well. And then you have got these ones.
Yeah, these are really good. These are also one of my favorite ones, Sophia. And you can find many more. Right?
So you have some filters here where you can look at Bangalore, free, Milan colors. There are different filters where you can even dive deeper into a specific illustration set. So when you dive deeper into a specific illustration set, you can look at finance, shopping, technology, different themes which are associated with it. At the same time, you have also got the set colors. Say if you want to sort of change the colors for your specific app. Say if your app is something in red and blue, you can go with red and blue. And then you can even set the background. Say I don't think you would need to set the background because you can download the SVG and put it on your Figma, and the background would be transparent. So that's it. And this website has also got really good icon sets which you can start using. These are the free ones. The rest of the ones, I guess, are the paid ones, but there are decent enough free ones and a huge library of icons. I'm a huge fan of this website in terms of what all it gives you to build incredibly designed products, right? You have elements, you have geometrical elements, some textures and stuff like that, which I think could be of use as well. You have emojis, emoji packs, which you can check out, which are custom designed emojis, which can make your app look even better. And we'll also look at the last tab, which is freebies. So if you want to just explore the free ones without having to go to icons, illustrations and everything, you can directly go to freebies. So there are 7,106 unique freebie elements on this website Streamline, where you can go and check out each and every section of these freebies. Yeah, this says it, right? This is a really good graphic and design resource where you can get all kinds of icons, illustrations, elements, emojis, and you have like free. You can make use of these and sort of bring that sort of a interesting graphical outlook to whatever you are building, be it presentations, be it some documents, financial documents, whatever be it, right? Sales decks, UI UX for a product, wireframes, or some sort of a whatever website landing page or anything like that. So I just wanted to quickly bring this website. I'll put it in the comments below. I really hope you enjoyed this resource, and I'll be sharing more such resources going further. So do consider subscribing to this video. If you do have other designer friends or anyone who might benefit out of this resource, do share this video with them. And yeah, if you did like this video, just like it and add a comment about how you felt this video. What else can I do better? to bring in more interesting resources for you all. And yeah, that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. This is Balaji signing